Shonda Twins, welcome back to our channel. This is me, Rhonda here, and today I'm sharing with you my summer guest bedroom tour. If it's something you think you're interested in, then please keep watching. Start the tour off with this wall. I call this wall my wall of fame, and it has our baby pictures on it, mine and my husband's and Shonda's, and I also have my kids here. And just for a reference point, my baby, my youngest child, my son, is now 20 years old. So we'll start here at the top. And yes, guys, this is a picture of me and Shonda. And from what my mom tells me, I think we were about a year old there. And that is me on the right. I've always been the bigger twin. But yeah, we were pretty happy babies. As we come on down, this is a baby picture of my husband. That's my oldest daughter when she turned a year old, and her birthday is the day after Christmas. So we were celebrating her birthday Christmas Day. This is another picture of my husband, and I think his mom said he was about a year old there, maybe 2 years old. That's my middle daughter. She's always been kind of my wild child. She used to love to run naked. It was hard to keep clothes on her, and she was most comfortable with her hair just running wild and buck naked. So this is another baby picture of my husband. Wasn't he a cutie? And then that is my youngest son and my middle daughter. So yeah, this is my wall of fame. Okay, friends, and now we're going to step on into the bedroom. And this is what I've done with the bed this summer. I just kind of kept it neutral in here, and the camera does not do it justice. This room feels so luxurious and comfortable and cozy and calming. This bedding is from a website called Zulily. I'm not sure if y'all are familiar with it, but go on and check them out. Zulily.com. And with a queen size bed, but I always go up a size just so I'll have a good amount hanging. So this is a king size comforter. But this comforter set also came with the sheets. 2 pillowcases, 2 shams, 2 pillows, comforter, and a set of sheets. And I paid $99.90. Then we have the faux fur throw that I got last season, I believe. This is from Home Goods. You have the AC blaring, and I love to keep throws out all year because when we're sitting watching a movie, we can always kind of cozy up with the throw. Okay, we're going to come on around to this side, and this is a flower arrangement that I made myself, and I want you guys to leave me a comment and let me know what you think about it. This is almost a no spend makeover in this room. The only thing that I did purchase was the comforter on the bed, but I made this arrangement using my thrift store base. The clock that's sitting beside it is a Goodwill find, and I've had all of these things for a while now. I didn't buy anything other than the comforter this season. But the flowers, yes, I had those tucked away in the closet, so I pulled them out. And I hope you like what I've done. Leave me a comment and let me know. And then we're going to move over to the curtains. These are 96-inch panels. I think it's called the bishop sleeves, if I can remember correctly. But yeah, that's what I decided to do with the curtains this year, just to help keep it light and airy in here. All of the pillows were bought at Home Goods over the last 2 years. I'm really enjoying the neutral palette in this room. It just makes it feel so and friends, here on this side of the bed, I did want to show you this pillow. It's a beautiful taupe colored pillow, and it is actually a Christmas pillow. I just turned it over, and I bought this from QVC probably maybe about 2 months ago, and I think I only paid about $8 for it. It is a part of the Christmas collection for a company called Inspire Me Home Decor by Farrah. I don't know if you all have heard of her, but she makes beautiful home decor items. So I always like to get the most use out of my things. So all I've done is just turned it around. And it worked out beautifully here in this room. Now friends, as we come to this area of the room, I want you to take notice of the sign that is hanging under the TV. It says, "Give it to God and go to sleep." That's certainly a motto that I try to incorporate into my life on a daily basis. Also, please note this tray. It was made in around 1920, so it's almost like 100 years old. It's large and it's beautiful, and I love it. This next area I'm going to show you is actually under the stairs. This is just where I keep extras at. I have the black thing that you see. This is an extra little small heater, and I have a little sewing kit here for my guests in case you know, you just never know what you're gonna need. So I have a little sewing kit there. I got these pretty gold baskets at Home Goods probably 2 years ago. I have extra toothbrush holders, and then coming up to the next shelf, extra towels. I also keep an extra blanket here, and here this is an extra set of sheets for the bed. And then we move on up, and I have pain medicines, toothpaste, an iron, cotton balls, Q-tips, baby oil. This is an umbrella, nail clippers, and this is actually a nail clipper set that I have here for my guests. Yep, that is how I've used this space. I just try to anticipate, you know, what my guests would need. Sometimes, you know, people feel like they're bothering you if they have to ask you for things, and I don't want anyone to be uncomfortable in any way, so I try my best, you know, to anticipate what they might need. Friends, I wanted to share with you this broom and linen spray that I got at Home Goods, and I usually try to keep a bottle. Recently I was able to find this great big bottle, and I actually paid $5.99 for it. I'm not holding it because it's, you know, it's a big bottle and it is heavy, but it's a lavender and vanilla fragrance to it. And what I do is when I make the bed up, I'll spray some on the sheets. Usually I don't put it on the comforter. I just spray some on the sheets. And then, you know, right before a guest would arrive, I would just kind of spray the room like an air freshener. But this is something that I'm really enjoying, and like I said, I use it throughout the house. You know, my bedroom, my daughter's, here in the guest room. Just a nice little touch. You know, little details like that, just let your guests know that you are really glad to have them, and you kind of gone out of the way to make sure that they're comfortable. Thanks again for watching my summer guest bedroom tour. Friends, always remember, make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short.